We're enjoying a beautiful evening out on Rabbit Lake, which is in Kenora, and Jasmine Romaniuk has joined us to teach us a little bit about the medicines that we can find in nature. So all over the place in nature, there's different plants that we can have and pick and use ourselves as medicine. And Jasmine, I just wanted you to give us a little bit of a background on your education and sort of how you work with the plants.
Okay, so I have studied for a Master's of Science in Biology. I'm a phytochemist, which just means plant chemist, I guess you could say.
Nice. Well, and I know in this area we have a lot of Indigenous people who use traditional medicines around here, and you yourself are Aboriginal. So how have you sort of used that, your culture and your education to do what you do now?
I've been able to learn enough science to discover that actually science is finally agreeing with Indigenous tradition from the region. And science likes to think that it's discovering a whole lot of novel new compounds when they've been here for thousands of years and have been used by the Indigenous people of this region for millennia.
Well, and a lot of you might recognize where we are right now. Of course, we're by the Rowing Club on Rabbit Lake, and this is the shoreline. So this is not us trekking into the forest trying to track down these really uncommon plants. This is the shoreline. So tell us about the plant right now, which happens to be your favorite.
Okay, the plant right here, this is a water plant, and it is called Murica Gale or Sweet Gale. Traditionally, we would use it to dream out our illness. So you could use it before bed, have about a tablespoon, maybe this amount, into a cup of boiling water. Break it up a little bit. It is very lovely tasting and smelling.
It smells amazing.
And you drink it before bed, and then it helps you lucidly dream. Now, the Algonquin Tea Company sells it as lucid dreaming tea, but it's so much more than that. It has antimicrobial agents. It has properties that can allow us to help heal our bodies of our own selves. It's wonderful. Every person has a different way in which they collect their plants. I burn tobacco. Now, there's two things about burning tobacco. You burn the tobacco for our offerings to the spirit, and then you burn the tobacco to blow smoke upon the plants, and the plants actually respire it. So they actually breathe in smoke. So there's an exchange. There always has to be an exchange. And what I promise the plants when I blow my tobacco is that my body will one day serve as food for them. So when I take the plant, it's going to help me heal, but it knows there's an exchange. All of them. This alder too, that's an alder too. And it's free for everybody.
Yeah, no kidding.
Everybody that knows.
Everybody that knows.
Yeah, everybody that knows. This is freedom. I teach freedom.
Well, and if somebody wanted to know more or go on a medicine walk with you, how can they get a hold of you?
They can go to my website, jasminecharmaine.ca. And you can find my number, my information, my email there, and check out some of the walks that I've gone on before and some of the activities and presentations that I've done, self-care presentations, everything like that.
Excellent.
Yeah.